Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Vision. I'm Harsh Kumar and this is the part 19 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. In this video we talk about Indexof method for arrays. So let's start. Let me first initialize a list of array. So let transport list is equal to car, bus, train. And now pointing to the array variable transport list dot index of. Let's say we want to know the index of bus. Save the result in a variable. Let result is equal to. Now just console log the result. Log console log result. And now let's see the result. You can see the value is 1 because index value is 1 for bus, car is 0 and train is 2. And if a string doesn't exist in the array, let's say fish, we will get -1. So it is quite handy method to check the value is exist or not in the array. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vision and hit the notification bell for the latest update. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I see you in the next video.